Makara Crypto Portfolio App. The pros, the cons. Makara is a platform for managing and growing crypto portfolios. But is it right for you? Starting with the pros. First, diversified portfolios. Makara automatically allocates crypto across multiple assets to reduce risk. Second, automated rebalancing. The app adjusts allocations regularly to keep portfolios aligned with target strategies. Third, low minimum investment. Users can start building a crypto portfolio with small amounts, lowering the barrier to entry. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited control. Automation reduces flexibility for users who want to actively pick coins. Another drawback is fees. Portfolio management fees can impact long-term returns, especially on smaller accounts. The surprising truth? Most people struggle with maintaining discipline in volatile crypto markets. Makara shows that automated diversification and rebalancing can help manage emotions and risk effectively. In conclusion, the pros: diversification, automation, and low entry make Makara appealing for beginner to intermediate crypto investors. The cons: limited control and fees suggest advanced traders may want more hands-on platforms.